Hello, hi, and cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. We have interesting items that are one of a kind, made for a Matthews gentleman who we've helped with on the estate. And I just want to share those along with upcoming auction items for AntiqueToys.com and Mars, M-A-R-Z auctions. These ships will end up being auctioned probably in about 2 to 3 months. Also, this Saturday, be sure to check out our current premiere auction on liveauctioneers.com. Stay tuned for more. So let's take a look at further details. This is from the J. Matthews estate. I believe this toy was built out in California on his behalf. It's a one of a kind, but seeing my hands there, we're talking about 23 inches, which is substantial. And by the way, these were based off of the Great White Fleet, the US Great White Fleet around 1900. Gorgeous ram's prow style toy. You know, it's Marklin-esque, but it's also like Stout and Falk and Carrette and all kinds of different makers. This is our John Matthews namesake boat. Then we got another consignor that just brought us a beautiful Ives boat. A boat that I think may be a Stout. And then a Premier Ives Roamer, which is gorgeous. Nice little deck tube. That's original paint, by the way, everybody. You never see Ives in that condition. Gorgeous. And then another custom. We got, I believe, a Spanish-American War, where the U.S. custom is beating the Spanish custom. And I'm going to have to dig into my research, but feel free to comment. You may already know these pieces. Like this Great White Fleet item. And then that's actually hand wrought with metal and different materials, ocean liner. Mr. Matthews always had some really unique one-of-a-kinds. So enjoy. For detailing behind the John D. Matthews toy. And now for the key piece of the collection, or let's say one of the key pieces. Just really cool battleship. We've got a paper, vinyl, cardboard, metal, composite. We have metal riggings. But the effect is magnificent. Very, very artistic and much more accurate than traditional toys. You give up some things when you're in composites, but what you gain is amazing detailing. Really, really have to compliment the artist. Okay, so cheers again from Ed. I hope you have a great day. Keep us in mind for some ship consignments. These are going to flesh out part of our consignments coming up. Most likely April, May timeline, where AntiqueToys.com is going to help produce a premiere auction with Mars, M-A-R-Z auctions. And we're gonna have some fun. Cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. Be sure to like, be sure to subscribe. Take care.